Ever wanted to supercharge your WordPress site with custom functionality without having to write complex code? Welcome to our tutorial on creating WordPress shortcodes. Hello, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the highest performance managed WordPress hosting out there. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your WordPress skills, this guide is your first step to boost your site's functionalities with smart shortcodes. Before we dive into how to create them, let's make sure you understand what they are in the first place. WordPress shortcodes are compact snippets of code enclosed in square brackets designed to perform a specific task or add predefined content to your WordPress site quickly and easily. They act as shortcuts for executing longer pieces of code or functionalities without the need to write out the full script every time. They can be used to embed files or create objects that would normally require lots of complicated, repetitive code in just one line. For example, you can use a shortcode to embed videos, add a gallery, display Google Maps, or integrate a plugin's functionality directly into a post or page. WordPress comes with several built-in shortcodes, and many plugins and themes add their own, expanding what you can do with short and simple commands. When embarking on the journey of enhancing your WordPress site with shortcodes, the hosting environment where your site lives plays an important role in how well these features perform. That's where Rapyd Clouds come into play, a hosting provider tailor-made for WordPress users. With Rapyd Cloud, not only do you get a hosting solution that's optimized for speed and efficiency, but you also benefit from proactive security measures and expert support available 24/7. Rapyd ensures that your shortcodes and your entire site operates smoothly, loads quickly, and remains secure. Check the link in the description to learn more about Rapyd. Now, let me show you how to create a basic shortcode to display a special message on your site. This time we'll do it via the WordPress dashboard. Step 1. Access your theme's functions.php file. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and then Theme Editor. On the right, find the functions.php file and click to edit it. Remember, it's always wise to back up your site before making any changes to the code. Step 2. Write the shortcode function. We'll start with something simple. Type the following code into your functions.php file. This code creates a shortcode named Special Message, which displays a welcome message. Step 3. Let's see our shortcode in action. Head over to Posts and either create a new post or edit an existing one. Wherever you want the special message to appear, insert the shortcode Special Message. Now preview or publish your post and voila! You'll see the Welcome to my WordPress site message exactly where you place the shortcode. Now let's create a shortcode directly from your site's root files. Step 1 is to connect to your WordPress site server using SFTP. You will need an SFTP client like FileZilla and your SFTP credentials, which you can usually find in your hosting account dashboard. Once connected, you'll navigate to the root directory of your WordPress site, often called public_HTML or www. Inside, you'll find the WP content folder where all the magic happens. Step 2 is to locate and edit the functions.php file of your active theme. Navigate to WP Content, then Themes, and choose your active themes folder. Open the functions.php file. We'll add our custom shortcode here. Step 3 is to write a simple function. Scroll to the bottom of the file and add the following lines of code. This code defines a new shortcode, Welcome, that outputs another welcome message. My welcome message is the function that gets called whenever you use welcome in your posts or pages. Step 4 is to save and upload. After adding the code, save your functions.php file and upload it back to the server using your SFTP client. Make sure to overwrite the existing file. And that's it! You've successfully created your own shortcode. Now let's test it. Go to your WordPress dashboard, create a new post, and insert the welcome shortcode into the editor. Preview or publish your post, and you should see your custom welcome message displayed on the page. Creating shortcodes is a powerful way to customize and enhance your WordPress site. You've just seen how easy it is to create one from scratch. Experiment with different functionalities and see how you can personalize your site even further. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more WordPress tips. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.